The Mazda MX-5, also known as the Miata, has become one of the most beloved sports cars in automotive history. But how did this lightweight and affordable two-seat sports car become such a classic? So we finally picked her up. Looking at a little bit of corrosion on this wheel arch, as well as a bit of corrosion on the centre of the wheel. Sill on this side isn't too bad. A little bit of corrosion on the sill here, no holes. Overall not too bad. This is probably the best wheel arch on the car. Sill's not too bad. This wheel arch is probably the worst. We've got a bit of bubbling and there's actually moisture inside of the bubbling. Looks like a repair's been done at some point on this sill. It's in good condition. The roof has got a couple of areas of moisture and mould. No gashes that I can see. Inside, the car's more or less immaculate. We've got a bit of a slice in the rear wind diffuser. Other than that, it's more or less stock. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Got a bit of lacquer peel on a few areas on the bonnet. Overall, under the engine, looks fairly clean. Got a couple of areas of corrosion which aren't on the structural parts, so to speak. It's more on the area under the headlight. Only looks like a bit of surface corrosion. Maybe there's a few areas with slightly deeper scale, which nothing we should have to replace. Should just be able to wire wheel it, get it cleaned up. This is the worst area on the car to look out for, because the water ingestion gets inside and rots it from the inside out. So if you are looking for a Mazda, make sure that you don't get one that's rotten in this location. The engine itself sounds perfect. I don't even think that we need to worry about the spark plugs. Overall, not that much work to do. So the good news is, we only paid $2,200 for this car. Has 27,000 miles, which is a pretty rare feat for a car of this age. I think a collector would be very happy to keep hold of this one, and it is a very, very, very good example. What we'll be looking to do is we'll be looking to get all rusted areas sorted out, a full paint correction detail. We're going to be detailing the felt roof. We're going to be doing a full interior clean, getting that back to immaculate. Probably have to pop out the seats. More or less a full car detail restoration, and then get it back on the market. Hopefully you enjoyed this video series as you follow me through the progress of restoring this Mazda MX-5. And if you would like to subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.